What's up, everybody? My name is Lauren. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today, I wanted to take a couple minutes to tell you about the Custom Keto Diet program. I have been on this program for a couple weeks now. I have been absolutely loving it, not to give too much away, but I always share things that I love with you guys. And again, wanted to hop on here, so let's talk about the Custom Keto Diet. Okay, so you're here because you want to learn more about the Custom Keto Diet, what it does, what exactly is it, what do you get when you purchase this program. And I purchased this program a few weeks ago. As soon as I made the purchase, I got everything that I needed. What it is pretty much a customizable keto meal plan. I really like this because you not only get to choose your meals, so that's why it's called the Custom Keto Diet. You get to actually choose your meals and kind of create your meals on your own, but it guides you in a way where you're not obviously making any silly decisions or you're not going out of your macros. So there's calorie information on all of the meals that you put together, and there's also the macronutrient information available as well. I love this because you can really customize this to your preferences. So if you have allergies, if you have things that maybe upset you, that you're intolerant to, maybe there's just things you just don't like and you don't want to eat, and that's totally fine. I'm all for when creating a lifestyle, you should be able to eat things that you want to eat, okay? Whether you're trying to be healthy or not, which if you're here, you are. You're trying to get on a keto diet and you're trying to create a better lifestyle, essentially, is what we're all here for. So I'm going to talk a little bit about all the things that I got. I'm going to go through my plan right now just so you know everything that is included in this program, because I don't like to spend my money on things that I don't know exactly what I'm getting, or if I don't know if it's worth it or not. I should mention too, I have seen great results with this program. Again, everyone is different, but I've been able to lose 5 pounds in the first week that I've been on the program, and then I've been on the program total for 3 weeks now, and I've been able to lose 11 pounds. So I have seen great results, just my own personal seeings from the program so far. So I thought I would make a quick video. And then again, I will probably, once I complete the program, it's an 8-week in total program, I'll probably do a little update for you guys as well. I know you guys always like to know, an update after a while, so I will do that as well. But okay, so I mentioned you get the option to choose your meals. You obviously can customize them based on your preferences. You get the nutrition plan, so that again has all of the calorie and macronutrient contents, and those are tailored to your specific situation. So obviously, person to person, everyone's doing something different, right? I'm going to eat probably less calories than a big old bodybuilder who's trying to build a ton of muscle is going to, right? So you can obviously customize that to your specific situation. And then you also get the nutrition plan with a bunch of food varieties. So that ensures that you're getting a wide variety of nutrients. I know a lot of the time when I myself try to do it on my own, I end up eating the same old thing and it gets boring, and then I go off the plan. So I like that they do that they give you a ton of different options, because it's going to boost the likelihood of you actually sticking to your diet. And then again, obviously meals that are based on your personal preferences just makes it more enjoyable altogether. And then what I absolutely love about the Custom Keto Diet is it gives you detailed recipes, and all of the recipes have step-by-step instructions to make the meal preparation super simple. I'm a mom, I'm a business owner, I want to lose weight, I want to get on this keto diet, and this has made these past 3 weeks a breeze. A lot of the times, I could have gone on keto months ago, but to me, I always found it so difficult because I didn't have one thing that had everything together, if that makes sense. I was kind of searching the internet for all this different information. The Custom Keto Diet has made it really nice because everything is in one place, and it's developed by nutritionists, by personal trainers, by people who know what they're doing, not just me searching the internet and Googling stuff. And then another really cool thing about the program is I got a downloadable shopping list. So each week, based on obviously the meals that I choose, all of the details, all of the ingredients will be in that downloadable grocery list for the next 7 days. So it gives you that weekly, which is really cool as well. And then obviously week to week, you can change your meals. Last thing that I also want to mention that I also really like about this program is it literally gives you every single day what to eat. So that was another huge problem of mine, not knowing obviously what types of food to eat, but how to actually put the different foods together, what time of the day to eat them, and all of that. This program literally covers all of that. So I would definitely recommend checking it out. I've personally seen great results so far. I'm going to be continuing. And again, I will make another video in the future of an update, but I wanted to get on here as quickly as I could to tell you guys about this. If you'd like more information than I gave you today, go ahead and click the link in the description. But hopefully this was helpful if you're looking for that. If you have any questions for me specifically, leave them in the comments below. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.